Something like this.
Can't even count the days since we got away. Seen a share of ups and downs. Got so much going on, the whole world's going wrong. I wish that tide could reach us now, wash away all the gray. If you got the time, I got the place. Let's get back to you and islands. The harbor breeze blowing through your hair, staring at that blue horizon. Close my eyes and I'm right back there. I swear I feel the jazz singing in the sand. Listen to the roster band, the love we made that last night. Let's get back to you and islands. Everything, baby, everything will be alright. Last night I had a dream. We were in quarantine and all the oceans turned to dust. I woke up in a sweat, time hadn't run out yet. I heard the tide calling us to wash away all the gray. If you got the will, I got the way. Let's get back to you and I.
Enjoy it?
Oh, having a blast.
Having fun? Cheers.
Cheers.
Do you have fun?
Hey, tell them about it.
Yeah? Did you see fish?
Yeah.
Yeah? What was your favorite one? What color?
The yellow and
Oh, that's a good one. That's a good one for sure. Awesome. There were a lot.
Everything, baby, everything will be alright. Come and sit in the sun. Let's get back to you and islands, Hawaii and Oahu, staring at that blue horizon. There's so many that we still don't know. You and islands, the harbor breeze blowing through your
Country roads take me home.
Where I feel the jazz singing in the sand. Listen to the roster band, the love we made that last night.
The Queen of Lucy's in Aruba. What's your name?
Everything, baby, everything, baby, everything will be alright.